Salish Matter. Your slime has taken over the internet. Millions of views, thousands of obsessed fans, every social media platform. Literally, some are going on eBay for $40 a pack for a slime kit. And I bought all of them. Hi, I'm Maddie. Welcome back to the series where I test viral products so you don't have to. Then you can decide if you want to buy them. These are all Salish Matter's slime. I did have to go to several stores to find these because if I didn't find them in person, they were going to cost over $40 a kit. Do you know what I could get for $40? In case you didn't know, that's 21 Diet Cokes from McDonald's. And you know I love Diet Coke. Today we're going to see if I love this slime. We have so many to open. How are we? You know how we're gonna pick. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. We're gonna do the blue one first. I kind of feel nervous about opening these because once I do, it's one and done. Now, we're not just gonna play in slime and build these. We are gonna rank these on two things. The slime, hard to touch, and gooey. Did I enjoy it? Super easy. Just two things we're ranking it on this time. Because you can scan it. So we're gonna scan it and see where it takes us. It also says parent consent. It's an instruction manual. Bestie, the instructions are right here. How difficult is this slime that it has to have an online manual? I always forget with this brand that you have to make everything. So this is the reveal. Mix and stretch. And then there's like a bunch of beads in it. But I'm gonna be honest, my favorite part are these. Like, these are so cute. I kind of don't want to put slime in them. I want to put like lotion. Oh, I couldn't get it. Are they all gonna be blue? I'm so confused. Purple. And let's just say that if I like this slime, you should probably get it because I am not a slime girl. We're gonna put this in. Actually, it's not gooey. Isn't it supposed to smell something? First is first, this isn't gooey. And that's a plus for me. Toxic slime, I literally couldn't touch it. Apparently this slime is illegal in 7 states because it's too satisfying. I just made that up, that's not true. We're gonna put the slime in. The reveal. Step 2 is the stretch and swirl. If it's supposed to have a sit, I probably shouldn't have put it in here. We're gonna stretch. I could totally be doing this wrong, and then I'm swirling it. This is my way of swirling it. I wanna know how they get it so perfect. It does not look like the picture. I actually really like this, and I don't like slime. Literally, the only other slime that I have like ever touched that I enjoyed is this peachy baby one. This is nice. What's that TikTok sound? This is nice. I actually really like it. It's very addicting. It's not wet, it's not goo, cute factor, right? And then 4 is the reveal. I don't know what we're revealing. Oh, it's a little dog. Okay, so here's what the slime ended up looking like. Look at it. I'm at a loss for words. Fun fact, I made 10 pounds of slime the other day and it was a mess and it was awful. I went through so much glue, the whole house smelled like Elmer's glue for days. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. We're gonna rank this number 1. I know we have 4, but you have to bear with me. We're ranking it number 1. And it is ranking time. Slime number 2. Slime and I have beef. Last time I trusted the internet, I got glue soup. And the whole house smelled of glue for weeks. We're gonna do the gloss slime. Now, my predictions for this are not good. Why are they not good? Because I don't like the feeling of slime. But we're gonna try it. QR code for instructions, but bestie, just follow the order. The reveal, the stuff that goes in it, and the really aesthetic pink case. That is my favorite part of all of this. Oh, what's this? Glitter. Love these. Time for the reveal. Ooh, I can feel how movable it is in there, and I am not gonna like it. If anyone knows, my last one, I got a Neato, and I'm obsessed with this, and it has gotten so squishy because all I do is play with it. It's blue. It's blue, it's glossy. Oh my God, they literally had to say, don't place on skin. And I know exactly why they did this was because people are using it as face masks on TikTok and hair masks. And it's not going well in their favor, in case you're wondering. It's oozy, it's oozy, it's oozy. It's not for me. It's the wrong one. Giving me flashbacks to my slime soup. Oh, no, 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 no. But I need... And this is nothing against this brand or her. I just do not like slimy things. Well, if you like wet, slimy things, this would be for you. We're gonna go with the beads because I don't think there's anything to swirl in here. So we're gonna dump them. The bead that came with it is, oh, it's a cute little elephant, I think. I think that's an elephant. And that is our slime. We're gonna stick our hand in there. Actually, I think I have to mix it because I don't want these like, I don't want these balls going everywhere. Okay, okay, okay. This is what I'm doing for you guys. Do you hear it? To the rankings. Not ranking this good. And I'm not ranking it good because it isn't good. I'm ranking it because I don't like the texture. I don't like the slime. I don't like it. Now you may like it. If you like making your own with the Elmer's glue, you're gonna love this. But for me, no thank you. Still slimy. Look, it's still in my hands. I swear you always come to my thinking corner. I'm not playing with the slime. When I tell you there is blue slime everywhere, it is literally sliming off of everything I touch and the camera. So, moving on. The next one we're gonna do is the yellow one. I don't know what kind this is. Oh, this is cloud slime. I may actually like this. Also, this room is 900 degrees in here in case you're wondering. We've got the reveal. This one has the stuff you swirl into it. It's got the bead, it's got the beads, and we have this. I actually already have a few of these because they do make mystery ones now, and I've actually started like doing them on camera. Real color. Ooh, that one's actually really pretty. You guys, I usually like cloud slime, but this is feeling very, very, very gooey. Oh, this is not looking good. There's still, oh my God, there's gonna be so much slime in the carpets. Don't look down. I don't remember cloud slime feeling this wet and sticky. I feel like sticky slime just like it gets everywhere and like look, it's now on my hands everywhere. But we're gonna put it there and we're gonna do all of it. This one has a mix-in of like a lighter pink than that one. Mix it. I feel like the best way to mix these is to like make this long and like wrap it. Well, okay. We're just gonna squish it together here. That's kind of like, we're gonna put it in. Okay. We're gonna do the small beads. They're pink and purple. We're just gonna like place it on top. I mean, like, this is really cute and aesthetic. So, and then we got a pink bead. I think it's a flamingo. Really cute. And put it on top. And now we're gonna mix it in there and I'm gonna get pink slime everywhere. Ugh. Okay, wait, maybe it just takes it a minute because now I feel like it's less gooey. Nope, still gooey, but not as bad. That last one got dead last. This one's not last. This one is still better than the one I just did. Maybe I could play with it. Maybe I could just sit here. If I was gonna play with it like this, I would have to not be able to touch my laptop or anything after. You would definitely have to wash your hands. Whereas the first one, oh no. You could definitely do it. But you know what this means? To the leaderboard. We're gonna rank the gooey slime. Now it's not last, but it's not first. I am gonna say it's very gooey, but it's not as bad and slick as the last one. So would I buy this again? Probably not. I'm gonna stick with my number one. We have one more to open in this slime-tastic moment because I am gonna open one more thing on camera, but this time, where's my last one? Oh, welcome to Maddie's halftime show where we're gonna open another one of these. Actually, sad moment. I think this is my last one to open. I think after this, we've officially opened all of them. And if this isn't the pink sparkly rare one after opening 100 of them, I don't know if I believe in it. I don't know if you should believe in it either because it's not looking like it's actually one. I've yet to even see one on social media. Let's be honest. Okay. Our last and final one. We're going to shake it. We're going to shake it. We're going to turn it. Let me just show you. I have the red. I have the light purple. I have 9 million of these light purple ones. I have the dark purple. I have the light pink. I have the, I already said I had red. I thought I had a different pink. I did. I literally have one of every color except the sparkly one. And I didn't get these at all the same Target. Like literally, I got them at Targets like 2 hours away from each other. Are you ready? It's the same purple. I have 900 of these. I'm going to crash out. I don't even know. Just have so many of these. Bought 100 of these, but they're not just for me. I am gonna explain this real quick. You don't have to subscribe, you don't have to do anything, but I am giving these away. So I have 100 of them. And starting I think the end of this week, now that we've opened all of them officially, I'm gonna start sending them to you guys. So there will be ways to like win them. It's probably just honestly, like last time, That was more slime. Last time with the Labubus, I picked people who were super positive in the comment sections, and I think I'm gonna do that again. All you have to do is be kind, cheer each other on, and be a good human, and you might win one. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the clear slime. The reveal, more poofs, beads, in the jar. Ow! You're gonna pretend like you didn't see that, okay? We're gonna do the reveal. Oh. Bestie, I don't know about this. I'm trying to come in these with an open mind. A lot. Oh my God, it will not stop coming out. I said the slime was gonna change my life. I think it just gave me new fears. Okay, we're going to add the sparkles, the glitters, because I forgot to do that last time. Just kidding, I don't have scissors. We are ill prepared. We're gonna add the poofs all together. The blue one. It's a little turtle. And now we're gonna mix together. Oh, I forgot to take the paper out. The one that says do not put on your face. If you wanna see me put this on my face as a face mask, you better get this video to 10K likes or views. Okay, but this still isn't the worst. This is like, it's not bad. For someone who doesn't like slime, this is not the worst slime I've ever had. Like, I despise slime. Like, I just don't like the feeling of it. And it is by far not the worst slime I've ever had. I actually really like it. I think the kits are really fun for kids. I would 100% buy the cloud slime a million times. That is my favorite. It actually took the slime from the other colors off my hand. The leaderboard. And I'm very negative to this slime. I was scared of the sensation. I was scared of how it would feel. However, it wasn't that bad. And honestly, it took the rest of the slime off my hands. So we're gonna rank this super high. But I think what we should do is have a final leaderboard and let's go. Are you ready? And last, not because it's not good, just because I don't like the sensation of it, I'm gonna have to go with the clear slime. First is our cloud slime. I loved it. That one I will keep and just like mess with when like I'm editing. Let me know what you wanna see. I love you. It might be a bad day, month, year, but it's not a bad life. I'll see you on the flippy floppy.